How you guys doing? My name is Chad with Johnson Smokers. Wanted to do a short video here on these vertical smokers that we build, kind of give you guys some scale on the sizing. What we got here to make this a little bit easier, we got a 2x2 vertical smoker here and our 3x3 vertical smoker. When I say 2x2, I mean 2 foot wide, 2 foot deep, 3 foot wide, 3 foot deep. People lots of times don't know which one to get, so hopefully we do build one other size. It's a 4x4, it's 4 foot by 4 foot. It's major capacity. Just to give you guys, open everything up. 3x3 smoker is, if I'm not mistaken, it's 37 square foot possibly. The 2x2 smoker, I believe is around 17 square foot. If you notice, they're basically designed the same. You got a 5-rack system right here, 5-rack system right here. Everything slides out. You can come completely out with it. You can work on this. You can take the rack all the way out, get you some more headroom in here. If you take this rack all the way out, you can stand up turkeys if you do an oddball. If you take this one out, maybe take this one out, you'll have you kind of 2 or 3 sections that have a lot more headroom if you want to stand up turkeys or do chickens or stuff like that. The vertical smokers, I'm going to slide this back here. Vertical smokers have a little bit unique way that we have them designed to let the heat in on each interior corner, front and back on both smokers. The 2x2 is a little different. It actually lets heat out low and it lets heat out high. It basically was just necessary to make the thing work correctly. The 3x3 vertical smoker lets all its heat out on the interior corners on the bottom levels right here. Both smokers have a drip pan at the bottom. You see this one here, drip pan down here. This pan also serves as a little bit of like a charcoal grill. You notice on these pits, I'm going to shut this door. You got vents on either side of these smokers right here up high. If you kick those vents open on both sides, this one you can't maybe not be able to see it, but if you kick both of these vents open, take this pan, put it right here. You can grill right here if you want to. Same situation. You can take this drip pan up here, put it on this rack, slide it out, get you a bit of charcoal, slide it in, and you can grill here if you need to. Just know that if you're going to do that, you do need to open up these vents here on the side of the chamber. Get your let your oxygen come right into your charcoal so it works correctly. Otherwise, obviously this is a wood burning smoker. Leave the drip pans down in the bottom. Excuse me. Leave the drip pans down in the bottom. Everything's going to drip down in that pan. When you're done cooking, you just basically slide this big pan out. You can pour it in a bucket. It's easy disposal. The vertical smoker also has a hanging system in here. It's probably a little bit hard to see. Let me kind of turn slightly. We can maybe see. So let me turn this one the other way. I'm not real sure which way is going to help us with the sun here. But basically, there's a little hanging system on the like the 3 upper levels right here. It's set up that you can put angle in here, or you can put these rods. Tell you what, let me just put this back normal. The rods right here, there's rods come with it. This is just in here for storage. These rods, you can stagger them across each level if you want to hang sausage in here. If you're not using these, obviously they just come out. Each one of them will come out. You can throw it underneath the smoker, whatever you want to do. If you don't like the rod and you want to use an angle, the angle, it has the bracket up here is set up to slide the rods in, or you can use an angle. The angle will keep your sausage from not touching in the middle, maybe a little bit better. It's a little bit personal preference. So it does have a hanging system in here that's removable. If you want to do sausage, you want to smoke birds and stuff like that and hang them. Both of these units are identical. They're set up to do that. Both of them kind of set up the same way. Firebox. You gotta. Let me turn this smoker back. You got a wood rack in your smoker. We have concrete in the bottom of this firebox. We found it's very cost efficient, easy to maintain, keeps the heat off of the bottom plate of your firebox. That's where you have the burnout in any smoker. The concrete takes that out of the equation, so you keep the smoker from any damage to the bottom while you're cooking for years. The 3x3, 2x2 stack, everything's a little bit bigger. You have obviously a little more ventilation in this unit. This unit right here, this is a custom unit right here. This is actually a custom, all these are customer smokers. If you notice, it has its own little custom logo here. But what I wanted to say is this stack is supposed to look like that one in the event that it has basically a rain cap on top. You notice on my website, they'll all look like that. They have the open and shut rain cap. This person right here, just to let you guys know, he's going to pipe this out through a patio or something like that. In that case, we put him an internal damper in here. That's not standard. We don't charge for doing this, but it's just letting you know why it looks a little different. That's the standard way it works. If we do have to pipe this thing out and use flex pipe or something, we put an internal damper in here so you still can operate the smoker. We can do stainless racks, we can do regular racks. They're square tubing, they slide out, they maintain themselves. You can put your weight on this unit, it's not going to bend, it's not angle iron, it's not going to be weak. Square tubing racks, slide in and out, hanging system, wood racks in the firebox, doors are braced up. You can heat this thing up however hot you want to heat it up. You got self-tightening handles. Basically these handles, when you push them down, all of our smokers do this. When you push those handles down, it tightens the door. Other than that, hopefully with this video you got a pretty good scale on the size. I'm normal size, say 6 foot tall. You can probably notice that the smoker's maybe just slightly over 6 foot. They're definitely heavy. The 2x2, gosh, we're talking 750 pounds. The 3x3, pushing 1,500 pounds, 1,500 pounds. So just keep that in mind. There's a lot of steel here on these smokers. They are not heavy, or excuse me, they are not light. We do a little bit bigger casters on the 3x3. We can do the same casters on this. We just scale it down once again because it's a little smaller unit. Once again, we like steel casters. They don't dry rot. They don't get flats. You're not calling me saying you need replacement parts. Smokers, 100% turnkey to sit out in the rain and not be sitting on flats, you know, a couple years down the road. If you have any other questions, give me a shout. My name is Chad. Go on our website, johnsonsmokers.com. Give me a call. I can kind of go over some more specifics of the units if need be. Other than that, look forward to hearing from you guys. My name is Chad, and give us a call. Thank you.